Hi, my name is Petty Officer Whitmer. I am with the Engineering Systems School Coastal Patrol Boat staff at Training Center Yorktown. This video will cover main diesel engine compression test, Lima 10003.0. The MPCs used in this video were created at Training Center Yorktown solely as training aids. This video is for familiarization of the task and shall not take place of the official procedures promulgated by the patrol boat product line. This task will normally be performed as part of a scheduled maintenance, as a corrective maintenance upon failure, or as an interference of other on-engine components. Ensure you and everyone follow safety guidelines and procedures outlined in all MPCs. Remove all fuel injectors in accordance with MPC Alpha 53070.0. After all fuel injectors have been removed, perform turn engine test on the LOP. Verify your engine speed exceeds 90 RPMs. This is to expel any carbon deposits. Insert pressure connector with sealing ring into the fuel injector port. No torque spec is required. Connect hose and pressure recorder. Insert new recording card into the pressure recorder and place on the correct mark. Perform turn engine from LOP. Verify RPM reaches desired RPM in accordance with MPC. Press vent button on recorder to release pressure. Advance card to next reading spot. Repeat for all cylinders. Remove the pressure recorder, hose, and connector from the injector. Install all fuel injectors in accordance with MPC Alpha 53070.0.
Once all installation is complete, conduct a performance test to make sure repairs were successful.